today I did a Gele tutorial Turban bob. Slightly Turban, you get me. So we'll be starting with bigger Gele 50-50, and we are starting from the back. So you're gonna grab your pleats, and then we're gonna start from behind us here. So you place your Gele behind. So one side at a time. I'm gonna do this side. So that's this side here. Hold this on the neck here, then get the other side. Come and fix the plates in front. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this one here, everything, and then release this, let go of this from my neck. And now I put them here, just check that they're equal, and then we cross. voila. Well, the turban. Let's do one more twirl because it looks nice. Okay. And that's it for today. Thank you all for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. From now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.